Hi everyone, welcome to Drive and Fail 27. In this first clip, we see someone who's a little confused with what a dual carriageway does. My viewer spots the danger and holds back. Or are they just recording all the footage for me? Anyway, this next part made me laugh. Watch the offending car now. That's it, a signal's surely gonna help. Especially as you're continuing to drive down the wrong way. When I first viewed this clip, I expected this to be over quite soon. Surely you would stop. But honestly, this is just mind-blowing. Only one other point to add. If I was in the same scenario, personally, I don't think I would have gone past. This is still massively risky. You imagine if an accident had happened now. Our viewer would have been involved also. In this clip, we're going to watch a seagull that jumps a red light. Well, obviously not. It's the Mercedes from the other side of the junction that we're keeping an eye out for. Some people's lack of attention is astounding. Clips like this that are sent in with the sound off aren't lost on me. As the saying goes, actions speak louder than words. And I think there's a fair bit of road rage going on from my viewer in this clip. Let me know what you think. And this all starts with the Range Rover showing some poor lane discipline. That should have been a non-event. Sad that it wasn't. A classic bit of impatience from the car that my viewer is following. Watch closely the van reversing out.
Now we're going to Christ the King Church Hall.
Hello.
Oh my goodness, nearly. It's a woman driver.
Driving attitude is everything, and this is a good example of a poor attitude from the car emerging.
What the
That was good.
But the driver in this clip takes a poor road attitude to a whole new level. Watch them drive at the scooter. Another bad attitude from the cyclist this time. Would you call the actions of this bus driver on the roundabout professional? I certainly wouldn't. There's too much impatience and a total lack of planning from the driver of this Ford Fiesta in front. It makes it even better when they actually lose a place in the queue as well. I bet you wouldn't expect this to happen. Keep watching. Remember, 2 into 1 doesn't go. I think the driver of the blue Golf frightened themselves. Again in this clip, I think my viewer should and could have done a lot better. Just slow down and stop. How's this for a Lorry overtake? This clip's similar to the bus driver on the roundabout from before. Look at the lorry. This is more like I would expect from a professional bus driver. It says in the highway code that you should let buses pull out. And even though the cyclist had plenty of time to give way to the bus driver still fixes the problem. In this clip, my viewer emerges left without causing the lorry any inconvenience. But the lorry driver is aggrieved. He starts to tailgate, even though, a little touch further up, the lights are obviously on red. The attitude shown by this driver isn't conducive to driving any vehicle, let alone a big lorry. And we haven't seen the best of it yet. If he had have been held up, this is still no way to act. But honestly, this clip is just ridiculous. Let me know in the comments how you see this clip. It's the lorry driver on the left, in front now that we're watching. I'd like to say a massive thanks to all my viewers who think of sending these clips to me. It's much appreciated.
Oh, let me save this clip for Ashley. Look at that one. Oh, press the red button, please.
I hear your answer. Oh, you idiots!
That's going to be great dash cam position.
Here's a few overtakes, and it's obviously the last one that's the dangerous one. That was really close. I'm in total agreement with all the commentary.
No! You're a driving instructor, man! Right, I can tell that there was no pupil in that car, so you, my good sir, who works for Arrow, you just went through the most blatant of red lights. If that's what you're teaching your pupils, no wonder I capture so many clips of people doing it.
This is less likely to be a registered driving school.
You might want to move. Oh my god, what's this learner doing? More so, what's whoever's teaching them doing?
And to finish off this episode, we've got some numpty trying to blend into the road markings as much as possible. Keep safe, and I hope to see you soon.